meaning of the bookings is under please.
Joe Martin, sir.
I see your reservation, sir. Right here, you'll be staying with us for 2 nights, departing on April 9. Is that correct, sir?
Yes, that's right.
Perfect. For our records, may I please see a valid ID and credit card for Orlando? I've ordered for Manila and deposit.
Yeah, good cards.
Thank you. If you could just verify your contact information on this registration form and sign here at the bottom. Please sign Thank you. I have you all set in room number 69. Here are your room keys. So our Wi-Fi password is provided in your key card holder. The elevators are located just past the lobby to your right. Our breakfast is open tomorrow. Morning start at 6 a.m. Would you like our bellman to assist with your luggage? If you need anything at all, please don't hesitate to call the front desk. Welcome to Grand Hotel and enjoy your stay.